Uwinyo. Odago ndalo muka uchiel kana ka pune denye more mantie. Wago meleu. Wanga yo moro ma ngene cha. Wanga yo moro ma ngene cha.
In 3 years back, these people, the ODM fraternity, branded me as a UDA mall in Kasipul. Today, all these guys are here with us. Yeah. We welcome you to the broadcast government. And we must protect the president and make him capable to serve the people of this republic. Yeah. The independent candidate in the coming by-election in Kasipul, Aroko, will be #1 in supporting the president. Also to lead the country effectively. We know there are big plans for this country. We don't want to be left out in the generation that is building this nation. I thank you guys so much. Thank you guys.
When you see UDA leaders in Homa Bay County supporting our candidate, that one automatically can tell you that President William Samoei Ruto is with our candidate. And we are very much happy that even UDA itself is growing because of the democratic, because we welcome every candidate. We welcome UDA because UDA president is with us.
Serikali bila shaka inaunga Ruko mkono, usimamizi wake imo, watu wa UDA, watu wa serikali wamo ndani wanaomuunga mkono. Na hamna candidate wa broad-based, hamna. Ni yule wa ODM na huyu wa Otete ambaye ni wa independent candidate, na sisi kama watu wa UDA tunamuunga mkono.
You can recall last time when Sifuna mentioned it, when we had the women empowerment program that was taking place at Sikri. Definitely after the event that occurred at Sikri, Sifuna went for press and he said they doesn't have anything like broad-based candidate. They have ODM candidate. Yes, and being that ODM signed the 10-point agenda with UDA, the working government, that brought them to work closely. And that one doesn't mean that they have a broad-based candidate.
Kuna wenye wanyachezo automatically. Kuna wenye wanyachezo. If you see all the UDM, the chairman in Kasipul is supporting us, automatically the president is with us more than any other candidates. Yes.
Na sisi hatuzungumzii mtu mwingine yoyote. Kila mtu auze sera. Ile kazi ambayo atafanyia watu wa Kasipul. Na candidate wetu Boyd Were ameshauza sera zake.
I want to urge the people of Kasipul and all candidates in the Kasipul by-election, let's embrace each other. Let's campaign peacefully. At the end of the day, we only need one member of parliament. And the people of Kasipul will decide whoever will be the member of parliament. So let's embrace each other. Let's campaign peacefully.
President,